Be honest with me, you delay things for days, but the moment a deadline comes close, you suddenly realize that your mind is more sharp, your mind is more active, and you feel really energetic and you finish your work. And if you are thinking that I am talking about corporate culture, then you are wrong, that you are just talking about the people who are in office. Then you are wrong. Just think about it. When your battery is 2%, you suddenly realize that I'll have to find the charger. When your exam is tomorrow, your mind is really sharp that I'll have to study, that I have an exam tomorrow. When your train is about to leave, then there is only one thought in your mind, that I'll have to catch my train. And think about one more thing, that when some of your friend says to you that I'm coming home in 10 minutes, then what you thought? Your thought is like, then clean everything and arrange everything, that my friend is coming at my home. Now most of you are thinking that why I'm telling you this. The reason why I'm telling you this is because when you have deadlines, your mind becomes more active. But why do we need deadlines? To make our mind sharp and to make our mind more clear about the things. Why we need deadlines for that? It is my life and I will choose to control my life, not the deadlines will choose that how my mind will work. The only simple reason is that when there are no deadlines, you have a lot of things to do. Your mind just cannot focus on a single thing, because you know there is no deadline right now and I can do anything that I really wanted to do in my life. And then what you do, you just scroll all the month, and one day before the exam you thought that now I'll have to study. And think about it, it is such a superpower in you. You are having a superpower in yourself, that you can work on anything with dedication, with passion, with really sharp mind. But why you are not doing it? Because you have a lot of distractions around you. Let's just suppose one example, that we are living in a world where only people who are earning 1 lakh rupee a month can survive, and the people who are not able to earn 1 lakh rupee a month will die. And you have only 1 year to earn 1 lakh rupee month. Then 90% of people will start earning 1 lakh rupees, because they know they have a deadline right now. If they will not earn 1 lakh rupee, then they will gonna die. So this is what I'm saying, that you have a superpower in yourself, but the thing is you have a lot of distraction. Deadlines don't increase the motivation in you, they just reduce the overthinking. Because when you have a deadline, then your brain is not asking you that should I do it right now or should I do it later. You have to do it right now because you have a deadline. And then your brain just asks you one thing, that how I'm gonna finish this work before the time turns out. I mean, think about it. If you're a bachelor and living in a flat or in a hostel or in a PG, you cannot able to clean your room in 5 days or a month. There are people who cannot able to clean their room in a month. And when they know that their father and mother are coming in 1 hour, they will gonna clean their room in just 1 hour, like there was never a mess in their room. Because deadlines creates a possible loss. This is a very important line. There is a deadline, then there is 110% possible that you are gonna lose the thing. So that's why your mind starts working. That sudden energy in your body is not motivation, it is clarity. Because that time your brain knows that what is good for right now and what is not important for right now. Your brain knows that I can even scroll tomorrow. Your brain knows that I can even go to the party tomorrow or next month, but I cannot delay this thing right now, because if I will delay this thing, it will give me a loss for life. So now we have talked about the problems of delaying things. But why I am creating video, I always create video for solutions, and the solution is very easy and it will make you a superhuman. Why I am saying that you will be a superhuman after that? Because you will be a different person from the 99% of the world. You will become the 1% of the world. Because when you can able to manage the work of 1 month in 1 day, when you have the ability of doing the work of 1 month in 1 day, then how much productive your day will be when you will work on every day just like that. You will be 1000% productive if you will work like that every day. So what is the solution to become a superhuman? The solution is very easy. The solution is very easy and only contain four words. Do it right now. Whatever you are thinking, whatever you are planning, do it right now. If you are planning to build a business, start from right now. If you are planning to go to the gym, start that thing right now. It is very simple. I mean, the problem we can talk about a day about the problems, but for the solution, I have only four words. Do it right now. If you will start doing things on the current basis, on right now, then you will be a superhuman according to me, because 99% of people cannot able to do it. Even 99% of the people who are watching this video will not able to do this thing. Only 1%, one exceptional person will gonna do this thing. If you are thinking that I'll have to create YouTube videos and I will start from 2 months and I will start after 2 months, 3 months or 1 year, that's the problem. That is the thing that is stopping you to become unbeatable. If you are thinking to create content, then do it right now. Do you have a phone? Do it right now. So next time when you think that why do I work only at the last moment, remember that deadlines didn't give you energy, they give your brain directions. And if this felt familiar, then please subscribe. We break down small everyday behaviors using simple psychology for you. So hey guys, this is day 23 of us speaking English, and as you know that we are improving. Yesterday I was watching my first video and second video, and when I just compare my videos, I really felt that I improved a lot. My talking English, my communication skills really improved a lot, and I just really thought that if I back myself at that time, that I will start when I will be a perfect English speaker, then I will lost a lot of things in my life. Because right now I know my English is not perfect, but I have one thing, and that is consistency and confidence. This is day 23 and I am creating video every day, and I will create a history for myself. I will create a history by posting videos on daily basis for one single year. For 365 days I will post video, I will record video in English, and this is a challenge for me. I just don't want any problem to came in my life, and that is depend on God. I mean, God will see what will gonna happen, but I will give my 100% to record the videos and show you guys that what can really happen if you will be consistent with your life.